My family. Hi, my name is Rock. I am 23 years old and I live in sunny California. My life is filled with love, laughter, and the joy of being part of a big family. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers, along with my mother and father. Each member of my family plays a special role in our lives, and together, we create a warm and happy home. My parents, first. Let me tell you about my parents. My father, John, is a hard-working man. He wakes up early every day to go to work. He is a mechanic and loves fixing cars. His hands are always a bit dirty, but his heart is clean and kind. He teaches us the value of hard work and dedication. My mother, Linda, is the heart of our home. She is a wonderful cook and makes the best pancakes on Sunday mornings. Her smile can brighten even the gloomiest days. Mom is always there for us, ready to listen and give advice. She loves gardening and spends time tending to her flowers in the backyard. Her laughter fills our home with joy. Now, let's talk about my sisters. I have 3 sisters, Sarah, Emily, and Mia. Sarah, the oldest, is 26 years old. She is smart and ambitious. She works as a teacher and loves helping children learn. Sarah has a big heart and often volunteers at the local community center. She inspires us to be better every day. Emily is 24 years old and is the creative one in the family. She loves painting and drawing. Her room is filled with colorful artwork. Emily often takes us to art galleries, showing us the beauty of creativity. She encourages us to express ourselves and follow our passions. Mia, the youngest sister, is just 18. She is cheerful and full of energy. Mia loves sports, especially soccer. She practices every day and dreams of playing professionally. Her determination motivates us all to pursue our dreams, no matter how big they are. My brothers. Next, I have 2 brothers, Alex and Ben. Alex is 21 and is a college student. He studies engineering and spends a lot of time in the library. Alex is very focused and dedicated to his studies. He often helps us with our homework and explains things in a simple way. He wants to invent things that can help people in the future. Ben, the youngest brother at 16, is a fun-loving teenager. He loves video games and spends his free time playing with friends. Ben is always making us laugh with his silly jokes and funny stories. He teaches us to enjoy life and not take things too seriously. Family time. In our family, we value spending time together. Every Friday night, we have a family movie night. We gather in the living room with popcorn and blankets. We take turns picking movies, and it's always a blast. We laugh, cheer, and sometimes even cry during the films. These moments bring us closer and create wonderful memories. On weekends, we often go on adventures. Sometimes we visit the beach. The sound of the waves and the feel of the sand under our feet make us happy. We play beach volleyball, build sandcastles, and collect seashells. Other times, we go hiking in the nearby mountains. The fresh air and beautiful views make us appreciate nature and each other. Celebrations. We also love celebrating special occasions together. Birthdays in our family are a big deal. We decorate the house with balloons and streamers. Each person gets their special day, and we make it memorable. There are cakes, presents, and lots of laughter. We sing happy birthday loudly, and the joy in the room is contagious. During holidays, our family traditions shine. At Christmas, we decorate the tree with lights and ornaments. We sing carols and share stories. On Thanksgiving, we gather around the table to enjoy a big feast. Each of us shares what we are thankful for, and it's a beautiful time to reflect on our blessings. Lessons learned. Living in a big family has taught me many lessons. I have learned the importance of sharing and caring. We support each other in difficult times and celebrate each other's successes. My siblings are my best friends, and I know I can always count on them. Each family member has a unique personality, and we all get along most of the time. Sure, we have our disagreements, but we always find a way to make up. We understand that love is stronger than any argument. My future. As I look to the future, I hope to make my family proud. I want to pursue my dreams while keeping our family values close to my heart. I believe that with their support, I can achieve anything I set my mind to. I want to travel the world and create new experiences, but I will always come back home. Home is where my family is, and that is the most important place for me.